Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. So I have made this video regarding of 5 6 7 videos, weekly videos. So guys, I have already provided week 1 2 3 and 4 videos for free. So nobody is uploading these subject videos. So I will just provide all the assignment videos just for 89 rupees per month pack only. So I will show how to do that. So go to this channel. So guys, I have already provided first 4 videos for free. You can go through that and you can see the quality of the content. If you like that, just go to this channel SKumarEdu. So like this. So here I have also prepared many videos. You can all access this just for 89 rupees. Every course video you can just access within that 89 rupees only. So click here on join button. After that you can see three types of prices. So go to 89 or 119, anything of your choice. If you click on 119, you can also get live videos. If you click on if you join on 89 per month, you can get recorded videos. So I am selecting 89 rupees here. You can click the join button and after that you can make payment. So guys, with just 89 rupees pack, you can get access to all the weekly videos for Art of C programming course and also exam preparation videos regarding all other courses. So guys, hope you like this and use this opportunity with just least price to the great extent, and recommend this to your friends also. So for if you want to check the credibility, you can just go through the first 4 weekly videos I have given. So I have given the best content there, so you can check that, and if you get belief, you can just join in this for just 89 rupees only. No one will give you, and no one is uploading videos regarding this Art of C programming course. So with just 89 rupees you can get access to all weekly videos from now onwards. So hope you use this opportunity. So take a good decision and recommend this to your friends also. So hope you join in this. So like this you will get bill address, so you can just get with just 89 rupees only. So use this and get good marks. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank